hammerFall gravity powered electric generator project. So right now we have the three-phase hooked up. We swapped the blue and white gear back to the original setting. So now I believe it's a 1:9 ratio on the gear transmission. We're getting between looks like 60 to 80 volts. But the whole point is right now we have it set so that weights are dropping as other weights are being reset. So sometimes it's a 2-to-1, other times I think it's just a 1-to-1. That explains the 60-80 difference on the output. Basically, we'll continue. Next step will be to install the large pulse motor, so we can reduce the amount of current at the input. It operates at a higher RPM. We'll put it through a step-down transmission, so we can have an increased torque, and we'll let go from there. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. Yeah.